Alright folks, this is the power window motor out of the driver's door of the 62 Fury. It did not turn. I tried to put power on it and it wouldn't move, and then I grabbed the shaft after I took it out of the door and it still didn't turn. So I took her apart. I cleaned up the bushings and I noticed that one of the brushes had fallen apart. Well, these are the brushes for the motor. Well, I tried to find some because they're a little H-shape and I couldn't. So I bought these over at the local hardware store. They're power tool brushes. The outside dimension is okay. They're about an 1/8 inch too long and they don't have the H grooves in them. So I spent a little time with my needle files. And I cut some grooves in them so they fit into the brush holders. And you can see those wings on the top of the brush holders right there. Matter of fact, this one is my new brush. Ground a little curve into it, like it's supposed to have. And then soldered it onto the existing wires. So let's put it together and see how it does. Okay, I've put the case back on it. I put one bolt into it. These are different than newer power window motors. If you notice, they have two wires coming off of them that are black and green. One of those is for one direction and one of those is for the other direction. You don't just reverse the polarity on these motors. They're grounded to the case. So we'll... This is tough doing one-handed. Snap the ground on there. And I got my little jumper box here. And I'm going to have to... Yeah, this is going to suck. See if it works. Try the black wire first. Oh, come on. Hang on. Alright. Black wire first. Oh, it's going to do it to me again. There we go. Turn this one direction. And I'll do the green wire. And that turns the other way. Here, let me prove that to you. Grab a little flag of tape, put it on the motor. Alright, one direction. That was clockwise. And the other direction. Come on, get over there. Can't stop. And that was counterclockwise. So, woohoo! This motor now works. I'm going to put it all together, clean it up, get it painted, and then it goes back in the door.